Hi, thank you for choosing us as your tent partner. In this video, we will explain how to install our PVC party tent. Make sure you have all the parts you need. Check the parts list in the manual. Lay the tubes and connector pieces to assemble the roof frame in approximately the correct position. Connect the pieces and fix them using the screws and wing nuts. Make sure that the wing nuts are on the inside of the frame to prevent them from damaging the roof canvas. Make sure to use the correct screws. Complete the roof frame. Put the roof canvas over the roof frame. Pull the corners tightly over the frame. While one person lifts one side of the roof frame, another person can install the side poles underneath. Also fix the side poles with the screws and wing nuts. Attach the Velcro strips on the roof flaps to the poles. Lift the other side of the tent and install the legs the same way. Attach the roof canvas to the frame using the bungee balls. Install the roof reinforcement using the screws and wing nuts. Please note that the roof reinforcement is only included with the Elite 2.3 and 2.6 tents. Install the ground tubes by fixing them to the vertical poles using the connector pieces. Also use screws and wing nuts to fix the ground frame and make sure the wing nuts are on the inside. Install the side walls and attach them using the bungee balls. You can use one single bungee ball to fix two side walls to the same pole. You can also fix the top of the side wall with the same bungee ball you used to attach the roof canvas. Make sure the walls are installed properly at all four edges. Here you go. When you have made sure you have anchored your tent properly, you're all set. To take down the tent, start by removing the side walls and the roof reinforcement. Then remove the vertical poles on one side, then on the other side. Remove the roof canvas and disassemble the roof frame. Thank you for watching. Visit our website for more information and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned on other subjects.